Crazy Surfer here. We start off the action fast. The Mockingbird comes crashing in. The branch catches. He loses it. It falls down. My man says, "What?" That is regular speed, and then of course, being a good Mockingbird, he goes, nothing to see here, just the normal day to day. Let me take a look around, make sure nobody's watching. Yep, that's what I meant to do. These birds are so much fun. So I speed it up a little bit while he's putting the touches on the inside. In a few seconds here, you will start to hear him or her sing, and I will let you listen. That was a lot of fun listening to all the different inflections and notes. The rest of the video is just the birds pretty much going back and forth and building the nest. So I'll bid you adieu, say thanks for watching, see you next time. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. There is a little bit more. And Bird's Nest number 5 coming up.